Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I thought to speak about colors in Vastu and its importance. Everything around us is full of colors. Different colors we see every day in our lives. Everything around us is beautiful. But how does this color or these colors impact us? If you use right colors in right directions, it helps increase our luck. I'll tell you how to use them. If you use blue color in north, it helps to improve your sleep. Yes, it will make you calmer, reduce your aggression. But yes, please see to it that this bedroom is in which direction before painting that wall, north wall, in blue color. In case you are unable to paint the wall in blue color, you can always paint this wall in blue color and just spend 10 to 15 minutes sleeping over there. So in your bedroom, if you cannot paint this particular wall in blue color, then anywhere outside in other rooms, wherever you have this north wall, proper north wall, paint that in blue color and try sleeping over there for 10-15 minutes every day. It will reduce your aggression. Coming to your kids' room, if you paint your kids' room in green in color, it will help improve their intelligence as well as health of family members will improve. In case even this is not possible, you cannot paint the entire wall or the room in green color, then make your kids sit facing east. And how do they sit? Keep a green color cloth below them and then ask them to sit on that. This will also work. Come, I'll quickly let you know how you can use colors in different directions to help you with daily problems. First is northeast. If you paint northeast direction in white or green in color, it will help improve or strengthen your willpower, your confidence, give clarity of thoughts, as well as you'll never face health and wealth issues. If you're facing cash crunch at your place, then check your southeast direction. Put red or orange color over there. Use red or orange color over there to improve your cash flow. Now coming to northwest. In case you want support from people, then go and stand between of the room or between of the house, not room, so that is mid. Stand at the middle of your house and check where is northwest. Paint that in white color. You can use metallic colors as well, artifacts as well over there, as well as clock. When this particular direction is painted white in color, you will get required support from others, as well as your neighbors will support you, like you, and speak good about you. Lastly, if you want to expand your work or your business, paint north wall in blue color. North is the element of water. So painted blue in color, you wouldn't face cash crunch or shortage. However, please see to it that there is no toilet in north direction. In case you are unable to paint this wall or this direction in blue in color, then try adding element of water, that is blue in color, in the form of cushions, curtains, some bed sheets, something like that. But add this blue color over there, it will help you. I hope these small tips and the colors in particular directions will help you ease your daily issues. Try using them and see the difference. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye bye.